Have you ever wondered what happens if you only pay the minimum due on your credit card bill? It might seem like a smart move to avoid late fees, but in reality, it can quietly damage your finances and credit score over time. Welcome back to Money Matters Today, your channel for smart personal finance and money insights. Let's understand why paying only the minimum due can become a costly mistake. What is minimum amount due? When you receive your monthly credit card statement, you'll see a line called Minimum Amount Due, or MAD. This is the smallest amount you must pay to keep your account active and avoid late fees. Usually it's around 5% of your total bill or a fixed minimum, whichever is higher. At first glance, paying just this small amount seems convenient. But what's really happening behind the scenes? Let's find out. What paying the minimum due does for you. There are a few short-term benefits. 1. Keeps your account in good standing. You won't be charged late fees, and your payment record stays positive. 2. Prevents default reporting. If you're going through a financial crunch, paying at least the minimum keeps your card from being marked as defaulted by the bank. 3. Gives short-term relief. It can buy you some breathing space to plan your next few payments or manage urgent expenses. So yes, it helps, but only temporarily. Why paying? Only the minimum is risky. Here's where things get serious. 1. Interest mounts rapidly. The remaining unpaid balance starts collecting interest, often between 30% to 40% per year. And once that happens, you also lose your interest-free period. 2. Risk of falling into a debt cycle. If you keep paying only the minimum every month, your balance will barely reduce. It could take years to clear the debt, and you'll end up paying much more than you borrowed. 3. Impact on your credit score. Even though you're not defaulting, carrying a large balance increases your credit utilization ratio. That's the percentage of your credit limit you're using. A high utilization ratio can pull down your credit score and hurt your chances of getting future loans or credit cards. Key takeaways for every credit card user. Here's what you should always keep in mind. 1. Always aim to pay your full statement balance each month. That's the best way to preserve your interest-free period and stay debt-free. 2. Use the minimum payment option only as a last resort, maybe during a financial emergency, not as a habit. 3. Keep your credit utilization ratio below 30% of your total limit. This helps maintain a strong credit score. 4. Remember, paying only the minimum is a temporary solution, not a long-term financial plan. In summary, paying the minimum due does help you avoid late fees and keeps your account active, but it's not a financially healthy habit. If you truly want to stay in control of your money and protect your credit score, always try to pay the full outstanding amount whenever possible. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Money Matters Today for more simple and smart financial insights every week. Because when you understand money, you control your future.